Yo guys, uMzumbe is currently on fire njengangoku and andisoyikisana ingathi utata uMosamseleko uzovele athi cancel even season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu. Kaloku utata uMosamseleko currently uyatrenda njengangoku sithethayo mna nawe guys, yena nefamily yakhe one family member bayakwebhana ke on social media. Kuye kwaqala ke kwaposta utata uMosamseleko ethetha ngemali ayichithileyo just to support ke umndeni wakhe, but guess what, uba bambulela ngantoni? Bambulela ngegag ke abantu bahamba izangoma and believing izangoma over utata uMosamseleko. So uye wabhala ke nansi ipicture ume nebhubesi lakhe, uthi ke utata uMosamseleko, of which he has already deleted as isithombe, uthi I spent over 490,000 of my own money buying a property at Umkhomazi for uNompumelelo. She also asked the property to be furnished. I asked uMakhomalo to work on that using our family money. Now, when first her failed marriage, she wanted furniture. We organized that on her second failed marriage. So this makes sense about uNompendulo is uNompumelelo because nguye yedwa eseyitshate kabini ongusisi kaTata uMosamseleko. Uthi ke we then organized that on her second failed marriage. We used our own money to sponsor it. When I bought the cars for my wives, I guess she wanted a car as well. Unfortunately, we couldn't get one for her, but we bought for my estranged brother a bakkie using our family money. Now, asiyazi ba utata uMosamseleko indoni ibimsukile ade ayobhala izinto ke ezingaka ku social media. Kanti kuzoba khona ke omnye ekuthiwa nguSiphamandla Mseleko obukele ke the recent episode apho ke utata uMosamseleko ethetha khona ngoNompumelelo isister yakhe. Wathi yena, you mean the very same family that gave you love when you had nothing? You mean the very same family that caught you uchela umuthi ebhokisini lazipho? Ngabe ukhuluma ngezangoma owafika nazo emanxiweni obabumkhulu. Mosa, ngabe ukhuluma ngale same family wena njalo wawuhlaba every Thursday mekuzoba nomcimbi womndeni? Ngabe ithina esasihla nenyoka emzini kaGogo Flow? Musa, ngabe ithina esasithatha inhlabathi emathuneni makushoniwe? Hayibo bafowethu, uyogcina ngokukhohlisa abakwe-TV and then ke wamthuka. Yo guys, andiyazi bitnani. uSiphamandla ke uthi ubabe kuya ngaye ngabe u-invite wonke umuntu wase-TV so that nabo ezumndeni bezothi share their side of the story. Guys, your thoughts? Let's engage. Ndizonibona on the next one. Bye.